Right, how have things been going?
Things are going pretty good. Um,
Nice.
yeah, yeah. The last event went really well. But then it's been a little bit of time. So
Yeah, nice.
yeah, I guess I don't really. We've been kind of like going step by step, but kind of knowing like maybe what the overall strategies might help me a little bit to kind of understand.
Yes, yeah, definitely. Well, so initially, the first event that gets hosted usually has anywhere between 10 to 30-ish people.
Yep.
And yeah, I mean that can act kind of more than anything is essentially a simulation of the process. And then once you have a understanding of the ads and the invites and the group chat and then the RSVP and running the actual thing, we usually aim to double the next one in size.
Okay.
How many? So I never really got to see any like photos or pictures or anything from that last event. So maybe just kind of give me an idea of like what went good or what went bad and how many people were there and like what it was like and stuff.
Yeah, we had about 20, 25 people there. Um, it was I thought it was really good. So 20, 25 people, the vibe was right. Everybody that was there was super excited to be there. And we had I had a couple of models that were there. Um, and and then we had talent agencies. I mean, we had everything you could possibly think of, different kinds of industries, which was really great. Um, the views were good, like the vibe was good. The amount of people were there, they were excited to be there. Every one of them has like reached out. Maybe not every one of them, but most of them reached out afterwards and said that was an awesome event. I'm looking forward to the next one. And I was like, yeah, we'll probably, give me a month, we'll throw another one. And
Okay, great.
and then so in the group chat, some people threw in photos that they had taken into the group chat. Um, and so I got a bunch of messages too from people saying, "Hey man, I'm sorry I missed the last one." So there's a little bit of FOMO on that too, which is nice.
That is good.
Yeah. So I feel pretty confident that we'll get more people at the next one. And I could run more ads and get more people in the group and kind of stir up the group a little bit, and then like plan another event and do the same pattern again.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. What kind of people were there? You're saying it's like entrepreneurial and talent agencies, and what would you say was like for you probably the most I guess like important connection or something that you would want more of for next time?
Um, More of,
Like what does it need? Yeah.
yeah, it needs, boy, I don't know. I feel like it was a really good balance and a lot of younger people too. So there was these three people that were in their late 20s that owned this tile installation company that were crushing it, man, just doing millions of dollars in business in their 20s. So I
Wow.
was like, so impressive. And and they were there. They brought a lot of life and energy. My friend Demetrio was there. He is like the life of the party everywhere he goes. So like I had a couple of good, I mean, I don't know, that was like a good mix. I need more hot chicks, maybe. Um, no, I just, yeah, there was a bunch of hot chicks that didn't show up that DM'd later and said like, hey, I saw the pictures from like a cool event.
Yeah.
So, but I think I just need to work the group chat and stir it up again. Basically, probably pick another venue. When can I start charging money for tickets? Like,
Oh yeah. So it sounds like basically what you need is more of the same. And I mean that's kind of how like Hormozy would structure it. He's got his more better different framework, and you basically want to max out more until there's a diminishing return, and then you go into better until there's a diminishing return, and then only then do we switch it up to something like different. Um, and so we do try to keep consistency with the venue, unless there is a reason that you didn't like that venue.
no, that venue was
Um,
great.
okay. So if the venue is good, because that partnership compounds, meaning trust builds, and you can start to get more favorable terms, and it's a little bit less of a headache in terms of you know, like you don't have to renegotiate everything, or unless you want to. How many people